A busy lifestyle is the norm in today's fast-changing world. Keeping up with your nutrition can be difficult, especially if you're out and about a lot, running errands, or spending a lot of time commuting. Having the option to effortlessly prepare healthy smoothies, juices, or meal replacements while on the go will do wonders for your nutrition and is easier than you may think, thanks to the Tupperware UrbanMax Portable Blender. The UrbanMax Portable Blender is the perfect product for those working at a fast pace that want to eat healthy while on the go and at their convenience. This portable blender is great if you want to keep away from junk food and unhealthy snacks. It's lightweight, compact, simple to use, and carry with you everywhere you go, as well as offers an easy and cost-effective way to consume healthy, customized drinks. Consuming lots of fruits and veggies is a sure way to boost your mood and improve your physical and mental health. What you may not know is the longer you wait to drink your juice or smoothie, the more nutrients will be lost due to oxidation. Being able to blend your drink while on the go, just before you're ready to enjoy it, ensures that you are getting all of the nutrients in your drink. If you like to exercise at the gym, outdoors, or even in the comfort of your own home, then this blender will make an amazing fitness accessory to help prepare your pre- or post-workout shakes. The cordless, rechargeable UrbanMax blender, powered by a lithium-ion battery, will have your smoothie, shake, or juice ready in less than a minute and blended to perfection. The UrbanMax also helps to reduce your cabinet space, as it eliminates the need for a bulky, heavy mixer, and it can assist in your meal preparation in numerous ways. It works as a juicer, a smoothie maker, and more, allowing you to create fresh juices, healthy smoothies, cocktails, shakes, sauces, dressings, and even baby food purees. The possibilities are endless. The UrbanMax Portable Blender operates with a USB rechargeable battery, so there is no need to be plugged in to prepare your smoothie. Two high-capacity 1200 mAh rechargeable lithium batteries allow you to blend up to 10 drinks with one single charge. The UrbanMax has a transparent tumbler with a 350 milliliter or 11.8 fluid ounce capacity, indicated by the maximum fill line. It is made with Triton material and has an attractive decorative etching. Triton is the safest plastic in the world. It is impact resistant, eliminating any concern about shattering, and is completely free of BPA. The tumbler can also be your measuring cup. It has etched measurement markings in milliliters, cups, and ounces to help you easily prepare your recipe. The ribs on the inside of the tumbler were designed to work in unison with the off-center blades to create the finest blending performance. The sharp stainless steel blades were placed off-center to create a vortex that makes the food hit the blades more times to ensure that you get the smoothest results every time. The Smart Engine lid also contains the drinking spout, which has been specially designed for easy and comfortable sipping. The UrbanMax includes a strap for easy carrying, as well as a separate simple lid for when you've already blended your beverage at home. And if you're looking for some recipe inspiration, inside the cover you will find a QR code that will take you to your local Tupperware webpage, where you can find all the amazing recipes for the UrbanMax Portable Blender, as well as more information on the product. Before first use, make sure to charge the battery upon opening the product. To charge your UrbanMax, place your Smart Engine lid with the blades facing down on a flat surface. Then align the magnetic plug with the charging dock. Use your own USB wall charger block to connect with the USB charger. The lid is charging when you see a blinking white light. When the battery is fully charged, the white light will be on and will no longer blink. When charging, make sure to always use a maximum 5-volt USB wall charger block. A full charge takes less than 4 hours, and one full battery charge can blend up to 10 drinks. If you don't use your product frequently, make sure to always charge it about every 3 months to prevent battery damage. And never place the UrbanMax Portable Blender with the Smart Engine lid on in the refrigerator. It could damage the battery. So instead, use your simple lid for refrigerating drinks. This product is suitable only for cold ingredients. Hot ingredients above 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit should not be used to avoid personal injury caused by spillage. And do not use carbonated drinks in the UrbanMax portable blender, as this could cause a buildup of pressure upon opening the lid. Before blending, please use fruits, vegetables, or other food in pieces no bigger than 2 centimeters or 0.8 inches. If using frozen fruits or vegetables, thaw for at least 10 minutes in the liquid that you will use for your preparation before blending. This will keep the engine from getting stuck. Do not use ice cubes, as they will make the blades dull. When desired, you can add the ice cubes after blending. When you're ready to blend, always put the solid ingredients in the blender first, followed by liquids. To avoid overflow, do not exceed the maximum fill line, which is set at 350 milliliters or 11.8 fluid ounces. This product has different safety measures. If the smart engine lid is not placed on the tumbler and fully closed, the engine will not start. This keeps the blades from running while exposed. In order to activate the blender, align the pictos on base and cover. When the smart engine lid is in the correct position, the light will turn green, indicating it is ready. Double-click the Start/Stop button to start the engine, and blades will start to rotate. Turn the blender upside down so the cover is fully in contact with a flat surface, or hold it in your hand for proper blending. The preset cycle lasts for 40 seconds. After that, the engine will automatically stop. If you prefer some pieces in your preparation, you can stop the cycle by clicking the Stop/Start button once. Otherwise, it is recommended to let the engine run a full 40-second cycle. For smoother results, you can run an additional cycle. Do not open the product during the blending process. This could affect the engine. A tip: if you turn the blender upside down and the blades are stuck, gently shake the blender from right to left until it starts freely rotating. If this doesn't work, return it to an upright position, wait a few seconds, and turn it upside down again. Before opening the cap, allow the product to stand vertically for a moment to ensure that the food is not stuck in the spout. Once your smoothie is ready, it's time to enjoy. You can drink from the smart engine lid spout directly, or use a Tupperware eco straw that's sold separately. The blade position is asymmetric, so the blade will never touch the eco straw. For cleaning, the tumbler and the simple lid are dishwasher safe. Make sure to use a maximum temperature of 65 degrees Celsius or 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The smart engine lid should be hand washed to protect the engine, so please rinse carefully. Do not put the engine in the dishwasher or submerge in water. You want to make sure to wash or rinse immediately after each use. The spout comes with a removable silicone cap. Make sure to clean the silicone piece by carefully removing it and washing it by hand. A cleaning tip: after use, fill your tumbler with room temperature water and a bit of dish soap. Place the smart engine lid on and run a cycle. This is a great way to clean the tumbler and blades all at once. A small cleaning brush like the tumbler brush or eco straw brush can be used to clean the inside of the spout and the blades. For storing when not in use, please keep the product clean and dry and store with the cap and cover both partially open. In this busy world, it can be hard to maintain a healthy lifestyle. But with the Tupperware UrbanMax portable blender, it doesn't have to be. This cordless rechargeable blender makes it so simple and convenient to prepare healthy, nutrient and vitamin-packed juices, shakes, or smoothies at home or on the move, so you can enjoy a healthy beverage wherever you go.